drama in the National Assembly as NDDC's Interim Management Committee fails to explain 143 billion naira budget shortfall. A mild drama ensued at the National Assembly Joint Committee on Niger Delta Affairs yesterday, July 14th, after the Interim Management Committee of the Niger Delta Development Commission, Professor Keme Brady Kumo Ponde, was unable to account for a shortfall of 143 billion naira in its 2019 budget. Professor Ponde had led other members of the Interim Committee on the NDDC before the National Assembly Joint Committee on Niger Delta Affairs to defend its 2019 expenditure and also present its 2020 budget proposal. While defending the 2019 budget of the agency, he told the lawmakers that Commission received 305.5 billion naira as revenue in 2019 and spent 122 billion naira, leaving a balance of 183.2 billion naira. In compliance with the provision of the 2019 Appropriation Act, we implemented the 2019 capital budget till May 31st, 2020. On the expenditure side, 2019 budget implementation was hindered by the delay in its approval and release coupled with the COVID-19 global pandemic. Only the recurrent expenditure, which runs from January 1st to December 31st, 2019, was implemented substantially, Ponde said. The briefing got heated when Chairman of House of Representatives Committee on NDDC, Olubumi Tunji Ojo, asked Ponde to explain why only 40 billion naira out of the 183.2 billion naira balance was brought forward in the submission of the agency before the panel, leaving an outstanding difference of 143 billion naira. Other members of the committee pointed out discrepancies in the budget. After a heated argument, Professor Ponde requested for the withdrawal of 2019 budget details to enable the Commission to address the 143 billion naira discrepancy raised by the committee members. The Chairman Senate Committee on Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Peter Nwaoboshi, acceded to the request of the MD of NDDC to withdraw the report and adjourned the 2020 budget defense session of the agency to next Tuesday, July 21st. The NDDC, which was set up to address developmental shortfalls in the Niger Delta region, has been enmeshed in a corruption scandal in recent times.